Hello, thanks for tuning in. My name's David Walla-Widnick, the resident cocktail stylist of Taste Magazine. Today I'm here at one of the signature BC liquor stores, excited to show you this Valentine's cocktail. It's called Blush. Let's start off with 1 ounce of the Bombay Bramble Gin. Check out this beautiful color on this. To that, we're going to add 3/4 of an ounce, which is 22 milliliters of St. Germain Elderflower Liqueur. And a little bit of fresh lemon juice. This will help to just brighten it up and make it a little more exciting. 1/2 ounce, which is 15 milliliters, and the same amount of the simple syrup. This is equal parts of sugar and water. Simmer to dissolve, put it into a bottle, lasts up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator. So that one is 15 milliliters, which is also 1/2 ounce. We're going to chill this by stirring. Sometimes people ask me why I stir the cocktail base for a sparkling cocktail. And then I do so because when you shake something, it incorporates oxygen. Oxygen and carbon dioxide tend to fight in a glass, and the oxygen usually wins. So you get a flat cocktail in a very quick period of time. Now that I've stirred this to chill and dilute, I'm going to strain this into this beautiful Collins glass. I'm going to first put the ice in. Better if I actually just place it in there like that. I can pick the best cubes, just like that. Now I can strain this cocktail right over this ice. Top it off with this beautiful Rosé Prosecco. Now, once you remove the foil on the top of a bottle of sparkling wine, you'll notice that cage. There will be a little tab, which you can then twist it down to remove. You'll notice that I'm holding on to the top of that cage because it does have the ability of popping off, as I'm sure you might have experienced. And I'm still holding it down. I'm going to put a towel over top. I'm going to grip that cork and twist the bottle. Keep it on a 45-degree angle, and it'll gently just whisper out of that bottle. By holding it here, it will also dissipate some of that carbonation, and you'll never have that foam over. Now that that's open, I can pour this over top of this beautiful Blush cocktail. You see that beautiful gradation of color between the bottom and the top, just like when you blush. Let's finish it off with a beautiful raspberry right on top. And that Blush cocktail. If you love this recipe, you can find this and many more in the winter issue of Taste Magazine. I look forward to seeing you again real soon.